Hello guys, welcome back to Self Study YouTube channel. This video lecture is for 10th standard SSC board students, and today we are going to do mathematics 2 lesson number 4, geometric construction. This is part 4, and in this part we are going to do construction of tangent to a circle at a point on circle. So basically we are going to learn how to draw a tangent on a circle or outside the circle without using center of the circle, with using center of the circle. So all this construction we are going to learn in this. So it is basically on your page number 96, 97, and some part of 98 as well, and this has a connection with 4.2. If we know how to construct the tangent, we can easily construct the exercise or the problems given in practice set 4.2. So let us start how to do it. So see, there are basically three types of construction while constructing a tangent. The first one we see is using center of the circle. First one is using center of a circle. Then the next construction, which we will give as second construction, is without using center of circle. This means that we don't have to use the center, without using center of a circle. And the third last construction which we have is a point will be given outside the circle and we have to construct a tangent. So the third construction is to construct tangent to a given circle from a point outside a circle. Means a point will be given which will be outside the circle and you have to construct tangent from there. So these are the three types of construction while constructing tangent. So we are going to learn what is tangent, how to construct tangent. So if you remember the first part 1 of geometric construction lesson number 4, this lesson only, the part in the part first I have told you what is tangent. Okay, so a tangent is a line that touches a point on the circle. That touches a point on a circle is tangent. It is a line segment. Okay, let us see how tangent is actually. So see here, if we have a circle and we constructed a line like this, so this will be its tangent. How? So this line will be the tangent. See, this touches the circle over here. Only one point of it touch the circle, therefore this will be your tangent. Okay, so this will be a circle O and this will be AB, tangent. Okay, so this is what basically a tangent is. Now let us see what is the first construction using the center of the circle. Okay, so over here this is your page number 96 of your textbook. Okay, so over here we have using center of the circle. How to construct? Suppose we want to construct tangent L passing through a point P on the circle with center C. We shall use the property of line perpendicular to the radius and its outer end is a tangent to the circle. So over here CP will be your radius the circle where the tangent is touching the where the tangent is touching. So this will be a perpendicular. Okay, so this will be 90-degree perpendicular, the angle made by this tangent with the circle, this line. So this will be perpendicular. So over here line L through P and perpendicular to CP is the tangent at P. For this we will use the construction of drawing a perpendicular to a line through a point on it. So how to construct? Let us see. Draw a circle with center C. Take any point on P on the circle. Now how to do that I'll show you. Take any circle, means any radius circle. Suppose this will be our circle and we are taking C as the center of it. Take any point on circle, means you can take point over here, 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 anywhere you want. So just take one point. I am taking it over here. Okay, this point. Now next they told us draw ray CP. CP ray you have to draw, means this will be your point P on a circle. Now you have to just draw like this, a line you have to draw like this, CP. So let us draw the line over here from C to P. Okay, this is our line. Next they have told us to draw line L perpendicular to CX through point P. Line L is required tangent to the circle at point P. So how to draw line L perpendicular, means it will be somewhat like this one, we can say like this. Okay, it will be like this. This will be line L. L. So this will be line L like that, and it would be perpendicular. How to construct it, let us see. So you just don't have to draw a line like that, you have to actually construct it. So let us move back. So till now over here I guess it is clear. This till here you have to extend CP like this, and then you have to keep your rounder on point P. You have to draw two arcs of same measurement on both the sides, means by keeping the rounder on P you have to draw two arcs like this. So as we have drawn these arcs, let us name it as XY for our convenience. Next, keep your pointer of your rounder on X, draw a arc, and similarly down. Put the pointer on Y, draw arc over here, similarly down, and then construct line like this going from both the points. Just a minute. Okay, like this it would be. And next, okay, so we have constructed this line, we will name it as line L as they have mentioned over here. Then this would be your X, this point. Okay, this would be perpendicular. So similar construction we have drawn like this, these two arcs, then intersection, then join the line, and you will get the tangent. Here you will get that line L is the tangent. Okay, this is your required tangent. Okay, over here you can see line L is the required tangent to circle at point P. So this is the circle C at point P. It has perpendicular bisected. So this is how we have to draw tangent using a center of the circle. As you can see, we have used the center. C to P we have extended, and then we have made the use of circle. So next construction will be without using the center of the circle. So let us check that out. So as you can see over here, without using the center of the circle, over here we don't have to use the center. Now see the construction. The question will be like this. Okay, construct a circle of any radius, or the radius will be given like 2.5 centimeter or 3 centimeters. So like this radius will be given, or they would say any radius, so you can randomly draw any circle with the help of rounder, of course. Next, take any point C on it, construct tangent to the circle without using center of the circle. Now as they have told us that we have to take point C, this means we have to construct tangent from point C only. So let us see how to construct. Over here they have given you how to do it and what is what, so you just read it once. Then steps of construction also they have told. I'll just show you how to construct it, and then we will move further. So let us take any circle of any radius. Okay, next we are going to name the circle as they have not given us the name, so we will take any name. We will take O. Okay, now they have told to take a point C on it. So basically we don't have to use the center of the circle. So what we are going to do in this type of construction is take this as C, then take another 2 points at anywhere you can take it, A, and this would be B. So this will be your 3 points, A point, then this is B point, and this is C point. You have to construct tangent on C point. Okay, now this is your center, so we don't have to make use of center, so forget the center for a second. Next, what we are going to do is we are going to join AB, BC and AC, so like this. With the help of your you can join it. AB, this is AC, and this is BC. So as we have joined it, now we are going to do the we are going to draw the similar angle like this, A angle to this, like this we are going to draw. So as we know how to construct similar angle, we have seen it in the construction of similar triangles. Similarly, we have to construct similar angle over here at C. So let us construct. Draw an arc from first. Keep your rounder at A, draw a arc like this. Next, keep your pointer of your rounder on C, and with the same arc you have to draw over here. Next, what you have next we are going to, this will be your X, this will be your Y. Next, keep a pointer on X and measure XY. This much you have to measure. Keep your pointer on this particular point and draw the arc like this of this measurement, XY measurement. You have to keep pointer on this point and draw a arc. And now you have to join this intersection point which we just got, this point, C point, and you will get the tangent. Let us see how we get it. It would be like so it would be like this. So this is your required tangent. What they have named it, let us see. So similarly we have drawn a tangent. You can name all these sides as well. So as they have named this as given M and N, you can take X and Y or anything. Okay, next this also you have to name as, let us see, S and T. This would be this X and Y, this S and T, like they have given R and D over here. Okay, and this would be your line L. So this is your required tangent. So this was construction without using the center of circle, without using center. Okay, see, we haven't used center over here. In last construction we have used center like this, the circle was, and then you have to just construct like this tangent. So over here we made the use of circle. Next we have is to construct tangents to a circle from a point outside the circle. So let us see that. Okay, so the next construction is over here, to construct tangent to a circle from point outside the circle. Now let us see how to do that. This would be your construction like this much. Okay, now let us see how to do this. So if you observe carefully this figure, you will see that there are two tangents over here. As itself it is saying that construct tangents, S tangents from to a circle. This would be your circle O from a point outside the circle, means this is the point P which is outside the circle, and you have to construct two tangents from P, AP and BP, like this. So let us see how to construct it. The construction and the explanation, all the part is given over here. You can just read it. I'll show you how to construct. Okay, so just draw a circle of any radius. We will just make it small. Okay, okay, now this will be your O. Let us take this as O. This is center of the circle. Next what we are going to do is, there will be a point given. So you have to take actually the point outside a circle, point P. So this will be our point outside the circle, point P. Now just join OP like this. Okay, not like this, actually with your scale. Okay, let us join OP. Now what we are going to do is, perpendicular bisector of OP means like this, it would be a line which will be perpendicular bisector, means it should be 90 degree like this. Okay, so we have to draw a perpendicular bisector. So let us see how to draw a perpendicular bisector to OP. So as we have extended this OP, now pointer of your rounder on point P, measure more than half distance. So this is your OP, so you should take more than half distance like this much. Don't mark this arc, take just more than half distance. Take a arc over here, and with keeping the pointer on P only, just take a arc down over here. Now with the same measurement, take the pointer on O, draw arc like this, and now just join this and this, so you will get a midpoint M, which will be perpendicular. So let us first join this. So this is the perpendicular M, this is the midpoint of OP. So OM and MP is equal distance. Okay, as we have drawn this perpendicular bisector, now the thing we are going to do is just measure OM or MP, keep the rounder on M, and with the radius MP, or you can take OM as well. So you have to just construct a circle like this. Okay, now let us construct the circle. Okay, so this is our circle, we have constructed it. Make sure that the edges should meet O and P properly. There should not be increase or decrease in the things, or you may have taken the measurements wrong. Now this will be our circle, or else you instead of doing the whole circle, many students do like this also. So they just draw arc, they don't construct a whole circle. So they can do like this as well. So they don't do the whole circle, but they just draw this much arc. Okay, so what they actually do, keep the pointer on M and just they draw like this arc. But you can draw the whole circle as well, no issue. The thing is that we have to get these 2 points, therefore we want the arc or the circle. So for these 2 points, now this will be your not M, we have already taken, so this will be your AB, we can say. Okay, now this is P, this is M, this is O. So you take rounder on P and just draw PA and PB like this. So PA and PB will be your tangent. So let us draw from point P. This will be extended further. Okay, like this. Similarly, from point P again you have to draw PB. So AP and BP will be your two tangents. Okay, so these are your two tangents, and you can see over here we have done the similar construction. So the thing is that you can draw the full circle like this, or you can just keep it with the arcs. The thing is we need these 2 points A and B. So it's upon you to draw a arc or the complete circle. So today we learned about the tangents, and in that we learned 3 types of construction. The first one was with using the center of circle. Just a quick revision like this it was, and we have to draw like this tangent to it. Okay, we used the center over here. Next we saw was the second type, which was without using the center of circle, without using center. So what we did, a circle was there, we took points A, point P and point C like this. 3 points we took. we join those. Next we put rounder on A, then we draw a arc, same we did with C1. Okay, we here see we measured these 2 points and then we joined this. So it was kind of like this construction was there. The third type of construction which we saw was point outside the circle. A point was given outside the circle and we have to draw two tangents over here. So remember, in this case you have to draw two tangents when the point is given outside the circle. Okay, so it was like this, a circle was there, a point was given like point P outside the circle. You have to join OP, then you have to draw a perpendicular bisector like this, which will be your midpoint over here. Then you have to take more, okay, you know how to draw perpendicular bisector, more than half these two arcs from over here, same measurement, two arcs, then you will get your perpendicular bisector. Next you have to either measure OM or you have to measure MP. So OM or MP, keep point on M and then you a circle somewhat like this, and you will get these 2 points AB, we will name it as, and then you have to just join PA and PB. So this was the construction which we saw in today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, consider subscribing to Self Study YouTube channel. Until then, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you. And in the next video we are going to solve practice set 4.2. Okay, so it will be our part 5 of this lesson. Next part in which we will solve 4.1. So till then, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.